Subscribe to Cat with Sahil Sharma channel and press the bell icon to never miss the video. Hello, welcome to Cat with Sahil Sharma, and this is the part 2 video of HBlend. We will see the remaining commands of HBlend. So let's start with the model. Here I will draw a cube or cuboid to show the remaining commands, and for that I will select any edge and determine a radius for it. So the command is stop short of corner. It means that if I have to stop the blending up to a certain distance, so I can use this command, and it's very useful in that case where I have to blend to a certain length. For that I have to select any endpoint, and this is the arc length, that is the length of this edge. And if I move this, you can see the value is changing, and I can stop anywhere, and you can review the result if you want. So this is the output that I'm getting from it, and I can stop at any length of my requirement. So apply this. So this is the last one that is remained, that is stop short of corner. And now the another one is the length limit. What is going to happen in that case is, first I will create the scenario so that I can show you. Okay, so this is the scenario that you are in. Okay, so for example, you have to blend this edge and you want to stop this end. If you want to limit the length of this blend to a certain extent, you can take the case of any edge. For example, I want to stop it below this edge, so I can select this edge, and you can see that it's stopped there, and I can preview the result, and the blending operation stopped at a particular distance. If I don't know the measurement of that distance, I can use this command to specify the stop point. So this is very useful in complex structures. So let's apply this. And the last command is overflow, and it's very useful if you want to change the curvature of a blend, and if you want to apply the blend to a certain edge. So for that I have created a scenario here. Let's change that to model 1. So this is a scenario. For example, if I want to do edge blend on this end, so you can see that it is not taking the shape around this edge, it's changing the curvature here. So what can I use here is that select edge to force roll on. So I will select this edge because I want this blend to roll over this edge, and by choosing that you can see that the blend smoothly flows on this edge. Okay, so you can see the result here. If I didn't choose this command, then what I am going to get is this. This curve. But after choosing the command overflow, I'm getting this result. So this is also very useful because it's based on the complex structures, and it doesn't require any calculation. So very useful if you want to create a certain shape, and if you want to blend that shape in a certain direction or on the face, so you can use this command. And this is the edge blend complete part 2. Hope you like this video. If you like it, please share to your friends and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.